transformer, short circuit test, short circuit AC test. Okay, this is what its diagram. Okay, dimmer, and it is ammeter 5 ampere. Okay, wattmeter, voltmeter, and next ammeter. Okay, on secondary side. Okay, this is what the single phase transformer of 230 volt, 115 volt, 1 kVA. Okay, it is there. You can see here. Okay, this is what our single phase 1 kVA transformer. This is what dimmer. Okay, supply comes to first dimmer. This is the line and this is the neutral. Start connection from line to ammeter, and from ammeter to from ammeter second point to, you can see here, wattmeter M. Okay, this is the wattmeter M. Okay, this is the M, L, C, and these are the V. Okay, M, C, short. Its rating is, this wattmeter rating is 0 to 375 watt. Next, take one wire from L to voltmeter. You can see here, this is the L of wattmeter to voltmeter first point, voltmeter second point to this is what voltmeter second point. Okay, voltmeter range is 0 to 300 volt. We connect 300 volt on wattmeter. Next, from 300 volt to wattmeter, 300 volts to neutral of dimmer. To transformer primary. Point 2, we connect wattmeter 300 volt. Take another wire, connect secondary of the transformer. First point to 0 to 22 ampere ammeter. First point, and take one more wire from ammeter second point to secondary transformer second point. Now the connection is over. Okay, whatever reading shown in this wattmeter is our copper loss or short circuit test. Okay, we find copper loss, Cu is equal to W is equal to here multimeter for voltage. We set it for volts, AC, set to AC voltage. Here supply comes to this dimmer or auto transformer. Okay, its range is 240 volt input and 20 to 270 volt output. Okay, this is the 5 ampere dimmer or auto transformer. We start the varying voltage in the auto transformer. You can see here voltage is changing. So we connected multimeter for exact voltage. We can find out here how the voltage varies. Like that ammeter range also varies. Okay, in this ammeter 0 to 5 ampere, and same in the secondary also. Primary ammeter it is, and this is the secondary ammeter. Okay, like that wattmeter also here changing its reading. You see here. Okay, now the our primary current is 4 ampere for 4 ampere current. Okay, you can see here for primary current it is I 4 ampere. Like that voltage you can see in our multimeter it is 20 volt. And next our copper loss in wattage. Okay, in wattmeter you can see here it is 20. It is the 20 watt. Okay, this is what our copper loss here. 20 watt is the copper loss. Okay, this is what single phase transformer short circuit test or copper loss finding procedure using this diagram.